Hello guys. Grabe, magpipicture ako guys. Ayun. Sira daw ang aking. Sira naman talaga. May sira naman talaga yung jackfruit ko. Pero it's good, you know. I remove some of, you know, odds. Yeah. At wala akong pakialam sa interview ni Puta. But naalala mo, pinalakad niyo ako ng pinalakad away from Ohos. Ay, from Grino to going to Ohos. Let's make clear, yes. By the way, this ears, two sides, someone quotes me all the time. You need to go out, Rogelia, and walk. Yes. Don't bring water, don't bring food. You need to walk because they will pack you. Yeah. They will pack you wherever you are. Yes. And you're not allowed to pee, you're not allowed to eat. You need to eat is hot dog of person, yes. And it says, I embarrassed in how many years? I've been abused, yes. And I want to catch the idiot people in Denmark who abused me. In how many years? Since 2002, that I'm au pair, I'll never collect a guy. When I married 2 months since 2004 until now, I'll never have a guy except that last time that I sleep longer, that I woke up before and after. Before, I'm look young, yes, because I know how to taking care my body. When I woke up, after how many months, I cannot remember because I always sleep. I'm very, very skinny. It's look like a skeleton. Yes, almost. Very skinny, guys. My gray hair is out already. Yeah. The question is, who abused me that time that I sleep a month? Because I feel something. My private body is different than before. I'll never have sex with Mons longer. Many years ago, never. The question is, who raped me? Imagine guys, after how many years we have sex. It's only, stolen sex only. Yeah. This is parental guidance. I don't care if teenager can catch my video because I will send it to my YouTube channels. Pero sa totoo lang guys, in Denmark, 7 years old up until he died, they allowed kids to watch porno. Yeah. Porno in Denmark is normal. My daughter in young age, she know about sex already. This teach Jinin how to be liberated in sex, yes. That I didn't allow because I'm Filipina. And I don't want that my daughter learn about sex. I'm the type of person that I'm very, very conservative to my body. Yes. I know how to wear clothes, sexy clothes, but I'll never flirt guys, especially without love. This time, guys, I want to ask a favor, a big favor, because I'm shouting help in Denmark that Danish nurse or doctor want to kill me, will kill me. But suddenly they are unlucky. Why? Because every time that they make an appointment to me, especially Laura, one of the Danish lady working in Kumon, she is not nurse, but I cannot understand why she want to order medicine for crazy. And this is not to help. Not to help, guys. They destroyed my mind. That time that they give me a medication, I lost my mind. Yeah. I always go to mental hospital, even that I'm okay. I'm okay this month, next time, nandun na naman ako sa mental hospital. Alam mo guys kung anong hinihiling ko? Justice. I'm shouting for justice. Because when I asked my daughter last time, you know what she said? Make war, Mom. Mom, make war. She's shouting war. I'm shouting war too. War. I want that Danish suffered in the jail or death penalty like what they did to me. I experienced electric head. You know what kind of electric head you're using? Celia Electrica. Yes. The using for a criminal person to kill. But guys, I'm innocent. But the government here, guys, when I was in immigration, from Denmark to Philippines, Denmark to Bangkok, Bangkok to Philippines, Manila to Kalibo. Wow, guys, they are very, very busy to catch me. How to kill Rogelia and hold to her neck. Guys, the questions. Why they didn't give me a chance to hold my ticket with gate? I look like a stupid in an airport. Running after my flight. Last 2 minutes that, light is blinking like that. Honest is, they are flying soon. I don't have money. No money, guys. No money. I have money to my account is only 3,000 crowns. Yeah. That time. They are busy to give me a wrong instruction. There's a lot of distraction in my life. Yes. They shout to my ears. They didn't give me a right instructions of gate. And guys, sad is in airplane, in my flight from Bangkok to Manila, people there, I don't know, different person, very strange for me, not Filipino. First time in the history, guys, there's a lot of strangers, foreign person. They look like criminal, yeah. If I didn't press the button of, you know what? I surprised. That airplane, there's no music. No at all. Manual. Very ugly. Yes. Alam mo ba kung saan ako nagtaka? Walang phone na pipindutan if you need help. Help assistant, no. There's no help assistant, no. Criminals, passengers, yes. It's there, except me, I'm not criminal. Alam mo guys, sa totoo lang, if I didn't wrote letters that I have a report, they didn't have plan to landing the plane. Honest is, I'm gonna be late to my next flight. Manila to Kalibo. But they still searching where I am because they want to catch me. Guys, from Denmark to Philippines, I'm asking help, assistant. I've been in immigration. I try to ask UWA. Immigration first and then UWA. They say that UWA can help me. You know what in UWA, guys? In airport? They are laughing together with other people there. Yeah. You know, when I asked, can you, sir, this is a report, they didn't, I don't know if she read, but she read some. For sure, she read all of that. It's a short message only that, please hold people from Denmark. They abuse me. They poisoning me. Yeah. But alam mo guys, kung ano ang ginawa ng UWA, pinagtawanan ako. They laughing very loud. I said, he said, first time that I asked help. Yeah, wow, sir. What is your job in OWA, sir? For sure you have a job to complain. Yeah. Complain, sir. Need to complain. I mean, I can complain to OWA. So OWA will make an action. Hello, sir. Yes. You work in OWA not because of money. You work there because you need to do your job. It because you love that job. Pero alam niyo, sir, kung anong ginawa niyo? Ha? Do you remember? After how many weeks ago? Months? I think more than. I cannot remember. That's from May? No, wait. Ano bang March? February. February, sir. February. Saglit lang. February, March na ngayon. So, months ago. Pinagtatawanan nyo ang isang Pilipinang nag-report ng na-abuse na poison. Mga halo kayo, sir. You're so deep there in my case, yeah. The important to you is Denmark. Denmark have a biggest amount that they can cover the case, yeah. Cover the crime. Oh, yes, sir, I'm poor, yeah. I'm poor, yeah. There's no justice to the poor person. I experience, sir. I experience. Now I can relate. Why? Because people, there's no money. They have a crime. You can send it to the prison, yeah. But person have a money, they are free, yes. Because there's a biggest amount of money under the table to pay you. Yeah. Putang ulol nyo nga pala lahat. Pari-pariho lang kayo mga mukhang pera. Yeah. Pari-pariho lang kayo na ginagago ako. Magreklamo man ako na magreklamo, wala kayong tenga, wala kayong mata, wala kayong bunganga. Bakit? Dahil ang laki-laki ng tapal na pera ng Denmark. Ang katanungan, sir, alam mo ba, sir, ang pera na yan, kung saan galing yan? That money is came from my own account. They using to bully me. In how many years, in how many decades, sir? Yeah. Nasa dangerous ang buhay ko, wala pa rin kayong pakialam. Na-abuse ang anak ko, wala pa rin kayong pakialam. Nasaan ang puso niyong mga demonyo? Nasaan? May puso ba kayo? Gumawa ba kayo ng aksyon? Napakasimple lang, sir. Yung kriminal, binubuhay niyo. Pero yung na-abuse at ang nabiktima, wala kayong pakialam. Oo nga pala, sir! Nakalimutan ko! No read, no write ako! Kwento ng Denmark. No read, no write. Putang ulol nyo. Kung marunong ka mag-English, marunong din ako mag-English. Yung report ko na yun is English, even that's short. I cannot write nicely because it's shaking. I'm there in the airport, in the airplane that time. It's shaking, sir. It's shaking. You know what I mean, sir? But I know how to write nicely. Alam mo, sir, ang katanungan dito? Nasaan ang justice sa Pilipinas? Where is the justice in Philippines? Si Sir Roa Duterte, pinakukulong nyo. He have a good record in the government. Nakakulong ngayon. And second is, war of drugs. Pinakulong nyo siya. Pero ngayon, sir, nag-create ng kriminal sa Pilipinas, bit-bit ng Denmark. Yeah. Nasaan ang justice, sir? Nasaan ang justice na na-abuse ang isang Pilipina at pinagtatawanan ng buong mundo? Asaan yung justice para sa akin, sir? Pagtatawanan nyo, hindi ba? Tama, pagtatawanan nyo lahat. Dahil ginawa nyo na maraming taon. Tapos kuda kayo ng kuda dyan sa airport. After how many years? Ngayon lang ako nagreklamo. Wow, wow, wow. Alam mo na biktima ang isang Pilipina, pero never man lang kayong nagtanong. Are you feel okay? What happened to you in Denmark? We watch your video that you've been abused. Alam mo, sir, sa totoo lang, iningatan ko ang pangalan ko ng maraming taon. Pero hindi ko matanggap kung paano nyo pinababoy ang pangalan ko. Yes. Tapos pagdating ko dito sa bahay, hinihintay nyo na mag-away kami ng nanay ko para ipahila nyo ako pabalik sa Denmark. Putang ulol nga naman talaga ng buhay ko. Ano? Hinihintay nyo na magkagulo-gulo ang buhay ko. Wala kayong pakialam kung papatayin ako sa ibang country. Oo nga pala sir, wala akong pambayad sa inyo. Directly. From my own hand. Yeah. Pero alam nyo ba yung nagpapakasasa dyan ng pera? Galing yan. Sa pambababoy sa akin. O sino ngayon sir ang tatanga-tanga? Lahat kayo tinutukoy ko na. Wala akong tinutukoy kung sinong eksaktong halo. Pero ibid nga kayo dito sa Pilipinas. Ina-allow nyo na ibuli-buli ako. Ibuli-buli ako in public. Lalong-lalo na yung mga artistang gwapo, magaganda, perfect hinaloha. Hinalohalo. Tang ulol nyo nga pala lahat kung paano nyo ako ipababoy. Sa totoo lang, nanginginig ako eh. Gusto kong malaites kayong lahat. Yeah. Kung paano kayo nabubuhay at nagtatanggap ng pera. Walang justice sa akin, no? Oo nga pala, isang ordinaryong vlogger lang ako. At alam mo kung ano nakakainit ang ulo? Nagtanim na naman kayo ng kamera at pati ang orchids ko ay pinadurog nyo. Minamanmanan nyo ako dito sa sarili kong pamamahay. Pambababoy, pang-a-abuse. At buhay na buhay kayo kakakuda sa radyo, TV nyo. Tang-ulol nyo nga pala. Tang-ulol nyo mga bayaran. Yeah. Isa kayong puppet ng Denmark na pag sinabi tuwad, tuwad kayo. Pag sinabi ngak, 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 ngak kayo. Tang-ulol nyo lahat. Buisit kayo sa buhay ko.